Hey, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can highlight specific rows based off of if the date is coming or the due date is coming up within the next 7 days of today. So this is a great way to remind yourself of a due date for a specific bill, or maybe it's a task that's coming up in the next 7 days and you want that little visual reminder. Like here, if I change this date to be within the next 7 days, it automatically highlights. So this is what I'm going to show you, and we're going to use conditional formatting. So we're just going to come over here. What you want to do is select the entire range of cells that you want to apply this highlight to. So for example, if you want the entire row, I would select that entire row. If you only want it just to be the dates, then just select the dates. But I want it to be the entire row. So I'm going to select my very first cell. I'm going to hold the shift key and then go to the very bottom of my range and select them. So it's selecting each of my rows as well as each of the columns. And then what I'm going to do is go to Format, Conditional Formatting, and I'm going to apply a rule. So what I want to do is under Format Rules, choose the drop down and choose Custom Formula Is. Now we're going to write in our formula. We're going to do equals and left bracket. And then we're going to put in the the cell reference where our first date is. So this example here, my first date, let me just move something over here so I can actually see what I'm doing. There we go. Our first date is right here in J4. So I'm going to do $J and then 4. Now we're putting the $sign in front of the J, which is our column, because I'm locking that in. But I'm not putting a $sign in front of the 4 because I want this formatting rule to be able to adjust with each row. So that's why the $sign's only in front of the column versus in front of the row. Now I'm going to do greater than equals today, left bracket, right bracket. Again, I will copy and paste this link below for you because we're adding some more stuff to it, so don't worry. Then I'm going to do comma. Then I'm going to do the same thing, which is $J and then 4, because we're referencing the very first date cell in our range. And then I'm going to do lesser than equals today, left bracket, right bracket, plus 7, right bracket. So essentially this is just saying, hey, if this date here, or any of the dates within this column, is equal to or greater than today, but if they're also less than or equal to today plus 7 days from today, then it's going to highlight. So if it's today, it will highlight, but anything within the next 7 days, it will highlight. Then you could choose your formatting style however you want. You could choose different colors. Let's say I want to make this a pink. Maybe I want to bold it. You can also italicize, do whatever you want. You can change the text color. Whatever formatting you want to do, you're going to do. Click on done, and then you can get out of there. And so anytime there is a date that is within the next 7 days, it automatically highlights. So that's it. Now, if you're brand new to Google Sheets and you want a free mini course, I offer one called the Wild Heart Spreadsheet Academy, completely free. You will learn all the basics of Google Sheets, plus you will create a super cute weekly planner spreadsheet. So I'm going to put that link below in case you want to join. You also get a free custom GPT to help you plan out your first few spreadsheets. It's the spreadsheet idea generator. So feel free to join. But yeah, thank you so much. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe because I will be coming out with some more content. Thank you so much. Catch you later.